And it's really not hot. It's just like super, super concentrated on this because I have my hands right here and I'm fine. This is really incredible. I've got this jet boil clone. It's from Wild Wind, and I'm going to figure out how to use it. You have to push in the sides of the handle to get it to open. That I figured out. Got a lid, spacer. This is the what gets put on the gas canister. Let's rinse this out. Okay, I've rinsed this out and I'm not seeing any more black metal. So it should be okay for making boiling water for coffee. I'm going to put some filtered water in. Let's see how we do this. Put the lid on. So it looks like it just screws in. And it stopped. This is ignition. Let's see, okay, so there's a button here. It does a spark. And this turns it on. I'm going to turn the knob. Oh, it's not doing anything. There we go. All right, that worked. Cool. Yeah. And that looks like it just snaps on there. And it's on. You can hear it. Cool. Let's get out coffee stuff. Guess I can put the instructions away. I didn't measure the water to see if it is the right amount for my coffee mug, so we'll find out. These are now trash. I'll put this back in. Wow, what's going on there? Let's see how the water's doing. Yeah, probably gonna need more water than that. Did I wash this out? Hey, I washed it out. Nice. So I'm gonna turn that off. Wow, it's like I can barely feel any heat at all. That's incredible. Okay, I'm gonna pour this in here. And I do need more water if I want to make a full cup of coffee. I'm gonna add more water. And then try it again. That looks good. Pour this back in. Yeah, it is already warm, even without the extra water. I mean, It was warm even with the extra water. Let's turn this back on. That's loud. Jeez. Coffee filter, and I got coffee. They didn't have that coffee that's up near me, the El Dorado. So I got Cafe Bustelo, which I'm not sad about. I love Cafe Bustelo. I'm going to get a paper filter out. So I'm thinking of going up to a campground. Right now I'm with a few other ladies. We're in the woods, and it was kind of sketchy last night. There were like some guys off in the woods hooting and hollering, and I don't know. And it's just all overcast, and I can't use my solar panels. And I need a shower. It, it's just, I don't know, just kind of just kind of Dropped a little bit of grounds in here. I'll rinse those out. But I will be with a bunch of these same women at the next meetup, which is going to be at a drive-in movie theater in Ocala. So I might just go off by myself for 2 nights and then meet back up with the gals. This is the first time I'm doing this. Making coffee outside on with my Jet Boil clone from Wild Wind. It's like a fire maple too. I'll put that in the description. And it would go faster if I had the lid on, but I actually want to watch it. But wow, this is fast. And it's really not hot. It's just like super, super concentrated on this because I have my hands right here and I'm fine. This is really incredible. Wow. Okay, it's boiling. Oh, wrong direction. And it's off. Wow, that was like a jet engine there. Let me take it off from here. I don't think I'll be afraid to use this in the van now that I actually tried it. I was afraid to use it in my van before because I didn't know how it worked. I didn't know if it would get hot, but I had my hands like right next to it while it was on full blast. It was incredible. It just like concentrates it right on the pot. That's really amazing. I've had it for I don't know how long, like a year, and this is the first time I've tried it. With the real Cafe Bustelo instead of the El Dorado, the coffee's going much slower through the filter. So I think that it's going to be really strong coffee. The Boy Scout camp we were staying in was really kind of sketchy, so I decided to leave. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.